I welcome you all in episode 102 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about deep and long breathing. We all are known that we are alive only because we are able to breathe and our respiratory system is in action. But most of us are not familiar with the conscious breathing. Deep and long breathing carries this key and has a great significance in this direction. This kind of breathing leads to empowerment of functions of excretory system, circulatory system, muscular system and skeletal system, etc. In addition to this, endocrine system, nervous system and respiratory system also start functioning very efficiently. As a result of this, the gross body starts functioning very efficiently and the subtle body gets regulated and controlled. The practitioner of pranayama should know the meaning and difference of deep breath and long breath. Let us know the meaning of deep and long breathing in detail. Deep breaths. Deep breath really means that when one is engaged in this kind of breathing practice, then three parts of the body, namely abdomen, middle part, and lungs, get fully energized and activated. When a person starts practicing this kind of breathing in routine, as a result, his organs and parts of the body get full nutrition, enhanced blood circulation, and energy by this procedure. It is highly useful for each and every person, for everybody wants to live healthy and healthy life. Long breath. Long breath means to spend long time for inhalation and exhalation. In this early stage of practice of pranayama, when we try long breathing, breath gets in very fast and gets out very quickly. So we are not perfect because respiratory organs are not fully energized and activated. When we constantly practice deep breathing, we develop this skill and we increase the time of breathing in and breathing out. Suppose initially we spend 5 seconds for inhalation and 5 seconds for exhalation. The duration can increase up to 10 seconds after the practice of 2 months. But further constant practice, this duration one can increase up to 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds and 30 seconds also more. This empowerment starts happening by itself with the regular practice. When a sadhaka takes long time for inhalation and exhalation, that is called long breath. Deep breath is related to upper, middle and lower parts of the body. And long breath means how much time it has prolonged in addition to affect the three parts of the body. This practice is the foundation of pranayama. A person suffering from asthma, cardiac disease and high blood pressure should practice of deep and long breathing only after consultation and under the supervision of a yoga master. Today, this practice or the practice of this deep and long breathing will be demonstrated by our yoga instructor Sri Naveen Gupta. Sit in Padmasana or in any other comfortable meditation asana. Place your both the palms on your knees in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Straighten your back, neck, head in one line. Close your eyes gently. Keep a big smile on your face. Start breathing out slowly and continue this process until root of the navel starts almost touching the spine. Apply Mool Bandha for a while. Relax the abdomen and breathe in slowly up to the level of throat. Apply Mool Bandha again for a while. This is one round. Repeat 5 rounds and increase the number of rounds gradually over a period of few months. At the end of exhalation, use a little force to contract the abdominal muscles if required to bring the navel towards the spine. But during inhalation, do not use any force and inhale slowly, relaxing your abdomen. After completing the rounds, return to the normal position and take rest until the respiration returns to normal. Now we will learn about the benefits of deep and long breathing. During deep and long breathing, full air is filled in the lungs and flushed out. As a result, prana becomes stronger. Heart muscles are massaged and strengthened. Oxygen intake capacity of the lungs increases and respiratory system is activated. Ribs, intercostal muscles, food pipe, trachea, thymus gland, these all are benefited. When we breathe in, abdomen is relaxed and diaphragm moves downward to the maximum. When we breathe out, abdomen is contracted and diaphragm moves upward to the maximum. With the constant movement of this diaphragm in upward and downward direction, Saman prana is activated and all the digestive organs become stronger. At the end of exhalation, vacuum is created in the lower abdomen region. As a result, apana prana is activated. This prana is responsible to energize the excretory and reproductive organs. So, ailments relating to excretory and reproductive organs are elevated. When we do inhalation up to the level of throat, Udan prana is activated. In this situation, organs lying above the throat area get energized and activated. All sense organs and brain are benefited. During the practice of deep and long breathing, blood circulation improves in the whole body and all the parts of the body are nourished with fresh oxygenated blood. At this stage, Vyana prana gets activated and reaches to the whole body, or you can say each cell of your body. With this great technique of deep and long breathing, not only our gross body is nourished and benefited, but also overcome our subtle body, which makes all body functions possible, also comes under control. When we master taking deep and long breaths, we save some breaths by reducing the number of breaths taken. It means we improve our longevity proportionately in relation to healthy life. For example, normally we take 15 breaths in 1 minute and 21,600 breaths in a day. But the practitioner of pranayama or deep long breaths might take only 10 breaths in a minute and 14,400 breaths in a day. In this way, one can save 7,200 breaths in a day. This makes estimate how many breaths are being saved in 1 year and consequently in the whole life. Accordingly, we can improve our longevity. That way, one can add healthy years to his healthy life by constant practice of deep and long breathing. Now, it should be very much clear in our mind that how deep and long breaths are helpful to save number of breaths and prana shakti, vital force. As we make the breaths deep and long and increase the time of kumbhaka, we spend less prana shakti. It means we conserve and accumulate more prana. It means we prolong our life or live longer. Today we have learned about deep and long breathing. In the next episode we will learn more new about pranayama. Do yoga regularly under the supervision of a yoga master to live healthy life and long life. Share this video among others to the maximum and be the part of this noble work. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.